Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, this is the last project I think I am going to make using the coffin template that I had made. The very first thing that I made with it, of course, was the treat box. That was the first one. And then the second thing that I made was the little coffin shadow box, bookcase box, whatever you want to call it. So these are the three things that I have made. Of course, I have other ideas, but I'm going to go on to something else. But I wanted to show you, I did fill this little treat box with a few items. And this is the filler. I use the orange and black balls as the filler. There are some crafters square items in here. And I'm not going to take them all out just so I don't take out all the filler because they can roll everywhere. So I did fill that up, and you can fit a lot into this little box. And then my little shadow box, my coffin shadow box, I finished it, and as you can see, remember I put the little round fillers in there. I love the way that turned out. So the last thing that I made with the coffin template that I shared with you guys is a flip. This is I guess a tag flip is what you would call it. So I did make 4 of them. And of course, I decorated the front. I just put some spiders here and some flowers, and I put a little clothespin with a bone, holding a bone. And this is a sticker that I had in my stash, some more eyeballs, and a black rose, with 3 other flowers right beneath it. So I did put some bling here and there. And on the back, I didn't decorate the back of these, so I left them as they are, and I'll show you why in just a little bit. So flip the first page, and the first thing we come to is this little package of wood pieces, a couple of bats, pumpkin, some cats. And then on the toppers, I didn't do anything big, just because I didn't want it to get really bulky. So I made a topper. All the toppers are the shape of the coffin from the top, and then I just lined it with something. This one has a little spider, and those come from I bought those I think last year or the year before from Michael's. And then if we flip it over, there's some more wood pieces on the back of that. And then here's the next flip. I put this big old spider web with the spider in the center, and I did decorate this a bit. So I put some bling here, and then there's a black heart, there's an eyeball, and this, guys, is, you can put a picture there. I did not glue the spider web all the way down so that you can slip a picture under there. So that's why I left the back of these blank, because you can put pictures on the back if you so choose to. You can use this as a mini album as well. And then this little fabric strip, this little trim was given to me last year during the embellishment box swap that I was hosting. And then this is a little, just a little bow, a pair of eyes, so obviously it's a girly. So going on to the next page, again, this is blank. And then on this one, this bag topper, I did not make this was also on one from part of the swap, and I just put them on there with more of this trim. And guys, remember I told you I have a lot of eyeballs. Now here is a package of eyeballs. Here's an odd one. This one was just a yellow one that I may have another one, I don't know, but I went ahead and put it in the center there. And then I flip it, and the next page is also something you can use for a picture. So you can put a picture right here, and again, I made it so that you can use it you know, as a mini album if you wanted to. And you can add pages to it because I used the really big binder rings. So on this one, I just put a bow, some bling, some more of that trim, and this pumpkin along with a couple of flowers. There is a witch's foot right there, an eyeball, and then just some, this is part of the paper, this little trim at the bottom. So yeah, you can use this as a mini album. And then flipping it over, I have this package here. These are cut aparts from the paper pad that I used to make this. And for the top, I just put some more of that trim at the bottom, and I put a little ghost with a pumpkin there. And yes, guys, I hand cut these. They're all fussy cut, ready to be used, and there's quite a few of them in there, ready to go. And then flipping it, there is another space for a picture, and this is just a candy corn. This is a pumpkin with some flowers on the side. There's a scallop circle right below the pumpkin. And again, this is another little clothespin with a little chipboard piece that says candy. This is a bottle cap, a top, and a little pirate here and a couple of flowers. And then I did go ahead and just add thick stitches around the, you know, the little mat so that it didn't just didn't, you know, just add a little more interest to it. So then flipping the page to the last one, I have this, it says Tiger Oh My. This is a die set, and you do have to paper piece. It's 14 you know, dies to complete one. Let me see if I can show you one little tiger on the back. So yeah, and what I'm going to do with this, guys, is I'm going to take this one along with this one and with this one, and I am going to give it away, guys. So if you would like to win, among other things, there are other things that I have set aside for this giveaway. I have set aside, there's quite a few things. So I would like to have this out by September the 24th. So I am going to leave this giveaway open until September the 20th. So the winner, I will draw on the 21st. And the winner will have until September the 23rd to contact me. That way I can have it out on the 24th. So rules are really simple, guys. You must be 18 or older. You must be a visible subscriber. You must like, of course, and comment on this video. And then you must let me know that you want to be entered. Some people just don't want to be entered, but they leave a comment anyway. So I need you to tell me that you would like to be entered, or enter me, or I'd like the giveaway. Just let me know that you would like to receive or be entered into the giveaway, guys. And then one last favor that I have no control over. This is totally up to you guys. Please hit that notification bell. That way you will know that the video is up, guys, because I know my channel is still small, and you know it does take a minute to do things, but you know, when I have a giveaway and I want the winner to contact me, sometimes it takes them a long time because they don't have the notification bell. They don't have their notifications on. It does take them a while to contact me, and sometimes by the time they contact me, I've already chosen another winner. So please, please, please hit that notification bell, guys. I really want you to know that you have won, and I need to have you contact me. All right, guys, remember, this is not it. There are other things in this giveaway. It's a generous giveaway, I think. So, and I would like to would like you to have it before the month is over, you know, that way you can start out October with your goodies. All right, guys, I appreciate you so very much. I look forward to seeing you here again, and I will talk to everyone later. Blessings to everyone. Thanks for watching.